Welcome back. I'm going to be reading a different kind of story to you guys. This one you can maybe listen to before you go to bed. But I just love this author and their books. This is called Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. And this is by Sherry Dusky, Rinker, and Tom Lightenheld. But I love these author and illustrator. It's just such a cute story. So remember, this is the front cover, the back cover, and the spine, guys. And always remember that the author is the one who writes the book and the illustrator is the one who draws the book. So Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. Hope you guys can see this. And bear with me, guys, with these videos. I know the last one my head was cut off, so I hope you guys can see me. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build buildings, make a road, and to get the job done, load by load. As I'm reading this book, guys, make sure that you listen to the rhyming words. For example, like road and load. Those are rhyming words. And you can comment below if you hear any other words, okay? So the sun has set, the work is done. It is time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up another day of rough and tough construction play. Day, play. Do those words rhyme? Let me know. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, and then off to bed. It's almost dark. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, and cuddles up and says goodnight. Shh, good night, crane truck. Good night. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now yawn. Now he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. Busy, dizzy. Do you hear that? With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. Load, road. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute and turns off his light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it in with a happy face. One file load spills on the heap. Grudge. Now dump truck's tired and he wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels, it's getting late. Gate, late. He dims his lights, then shuts his door, and soon his engine slows to snore. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar. No one's tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, and stops his track. He crawls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. That's a good vocab word, excavator. He digs and he lifts through the day, arr. But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. Soon and moon. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his broom and stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Then he yawns. Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. These big trucks so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engine, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and packs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your head and dream. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done. Now turn off the light. Great working today. Now, shh. Good night. The end. I hope you guys really like that story. I know I love all of these books. They even have like Goodnight Steam Train, which we enjoy as a family over here to read. But let me know in the comments below how you guys really liked the story or what you didn't like. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Good night.